Gaudi's workers used local stone from the mountain of Montjuic, a unique multicolored stone.
You can see a stone of Montjuic can be red, can be gray, can be kind of yellow, close to orange, brown, dark gray. That gives a very rich colored wall.
But Jordi's team has a massive problem. The Montjuic stone quarry is now closed. So they must find a way to replicate the look of Montjuic stone.
We need to get the same concept as Gaudí. In the case of the towers, we decided to mix different kinds of stones with different kinds of colors to try to reproduce the same wall. This is like pixels on the TV. If you get so close, you see every pixel on every color. When you go out, you see one uniform color. We have to create this effect on the towers.
So Pau is sourcing the stone for the towers from 70 quarries around the world. Granite blue Bahia from Brazil, red porphyry from Iran, and the only quarry that can deliver the right shade of light brown buff gritstone in Lancashire, England.
We've had a call from Barcelona wanting to supply stone to the Sagrada Familia. We thought it was a hoax, to be honest. We thought it was a joke.
Quarry manager Emma Armstrong must deliver over 300 tons each week for Sagrada Familia.
The quality of our stone is absolutely critically important to the project in Barcelona, because if it wasn't of the strength and resilience as it is, basically the towers wouldn't stand up on their own, they'd collapse.
It takes great skill to extract this high-grade stone. Creating even the tiniest fractures inside the rock could be disastrous for the towers.
We do not want to make any fractures. We cannot have any fractured rock because obviously that would affect the strength and would create a weakness in the rock. What are we up to next, mate? What's next stage?
Naturally occurring hairline cracks run through the rock. Emma's team will cleverly use these existing fissures to break the stone out.
So it's taking this corner out, basically?
Just checking that out to get back.
And then what you weigh?
To extract every ton of gritstone for Sagrada Familia, Emma is relying on blast engineer Mick Tootle.
We say there's no pressure, but all down to one man, little Mick.
You're going to drill an hole, and then you put your charge in. It's very low explosive, but it won't do any more damage than what the rock's already got originally. It's delicate touch to it, rather than a massive blast. That's the beauty of it, like.
The explosion frees the 10-ton block. Now Mick must carefully tease it away from the rock face.
Or it'll be like a tooth. It'll be jammed in and you'll have to riddle it. You want it intact, fracture-free as you can. It looks all right to be. You can't see any hairline cracks in it, so it should cut all right. And then off to Spain. And then they can put it in the cathedral.
Mick and Emma must deliver almost 120,000 tons of stone for Sagrada Familia. Every block must be flawless.
We do go as fast as we can, but it is a very precise process and it's something that can't be rushed. Being a small family-run business over here in Lancashire, it is quite humbling, but also very satisfying that we're supplying the stone to complete the most photographed religious monument in the world.
The stone is shipped to this yard, just outside Barcelona. Before they build the towers, Fernando Villa must check each batch of stone is strong enough to keep the towers from falling.
Sagrada Familia is forever. Our responsibility is to make sure that this stone is forever too.
Fernando's team drill out a core sample from the stone.
This test is to crush the piece.
Each of the tower's stones must be able to withstand at least 15 tons to be strong enough to become part of the structure. Using a stone compression testing machine, they increase the pressure.
"30 tons, the pressure on the piece. It's amazing. It's the double of we need. It's not possible that tower falling down. It's not possible.
The stone passes the test. Now they can start work erecting the 6 central towers. It's taken over 3 years of detective work to figure out exactly how to design and assemble the tower's intricate stonework.